Good morning. This is your one and only Royalbabe, Queen One. Greetings from me to each and everyone listening and watching. You can like my page, share it as well, and subscribe. In this world, we have two differences, and we have so many differences. We have choices. Some people are choiceless. Whatever they see, whatever they want, they just go after it. They don't even check off their allergies. Some people to think of their allergies and they are very choosy. They go for the rightful things they want. Some people also have they've set up their mind. They've set up their mind to do bad and go to people to make their own names. Ebi mo wo ho a sebi tafrache wonye choice. Bibia obehu bia wope. Bibia bema ne bia nso obedi. Obi nso ayɛ n'adwen dɛ odi bɔn koraa na ɔkyerɛ dɛ ɔkyerɛ nkurɔfo dɛ ɔno n'enyiwa ebue ɔyɛ very smart ɛho maame kyerɛ na ɛna ebi mu nso wɔ hɔ a ɔmo ayɛ wɔn ho kɔnɔnko kaya ɔno a ɔnsua ɔno nso ɔmmo obi nso ensua. These are the people you will meet in life. Ɛna one thing na woman ne dɛ obi wɔ hɔ a ɔno wo reserew ɔno wo dzidzi ɔnye wo bɔ nkɔmmɔ nso na ɔno anso na ɔrekum ɔno mpo na ɔto wo fo. Mɛkɔ mɛyɛ la mi ni amen no fia no ba ha man ba yi no fia no ho na ba na esumo edwe mi fe kwa esumo ni mɛkɔ mɛnwe fia mɛdwe mo akeshi taflache ameba fe money na mɛkɛfe igbe amba fe mo ehia na mɛkɛfe igbe ko na mɛcha mɛya ke o mi ele inye chilo mi ele inle fe mo fiam she sa no kaya ke no fia no ba fe kon hi efon we papa we kon hi nkaji mo ko hu fe we papa ke ehia akadaleshi so be your papa net bonda na sa or the when you more retron. If somebody do you good or somebody give you something which is very, very essential, it is very expensive, and you turn around to pay the person with evil, remember, it is lying ahead of you. It is lying in front of you. What goes around comes around. Try to make your choice and try to have a good choice. Try and treat each and everyone the way you want to be treated. And don't you ever do bad to the person who do you good. We have spiritual beings, and if God can forgive us, we also forgive. So, my brother, my sister, my mother, my father, my auntie, my uncle, do good to people so you retain good. God bless you all. Bye and bye. You can watch me on YouTube, subscribe, like, and share. Stay blessed.